Hi everyone, my name is Lamberto Ballan and I'm a professor in computer science at the University of Padua. Today I will present the new curriculum on machine learning for intelligent systems within the data science master program at the University of Padua. Data scientists need to understand and develop models for dealing with big data. Machine learning is one of the fundamental tools at the core of data science. This curriculum covers all the fundamental concepts and tools in machine learning that are required in order to develop machine learning driven systems. The curriculum is specifically designed to accommodate both graduates from computer science or engineering bachelors, as well as graduates from other disciplines, such as math, statistics, and so on. Before describing the curriculum, let me spend a few words about the artificial intelligence or machine learning revolution that we are observing these days. AI is really having an impact in our life, and you have probably daily life experience with many of the most successful applications in AI. One example is machine translation. If you use Google Translate, you can see that nowadays it works pretty well. The reason why it is working well now is because of machine learning and natural language processing. But probably you have also experience with speech recognition, and you can see that now also speech recognition is working pretty well. So probably you try to ask questions to your Siri or to Alexa in order to start a song, for example. Or you can ask questions to chatbots, such in many systems that you can see in several websites. But another area where you have probably daily life experience of successful AI applications is the area of visual data processing, so visual recognition. And this can be the case of facial recognition, where you use automatic systems that are able to detect your face in order to build automatically a gallery from your photo, or also advanced systems such as smart driving systems or self-driving cars, where you have cameras that are able to detect objects in real time, as well as many other domains where imaging techniques, such as in healthcare, for example, are really helping medical doctors to understand pictures of in order to assist their decisions. But all these AI applications are really based on machine learning. So if AI is the science to make things smarter, the reason why we are talking about an AI revolution is mostly because of machine learning. And machine learning is, the goal of machine learning is to build machines that can learn. So all these successful stories are actually based on machine learning and a particular class of machine learning algorithm that is deep learning. And so all this recent breakthrough in AI are telling us the same story. So you have big data, you have and you use data science and machine learning in order to build intelligent systems applications that are able to make data-driven decisions. What about then our machine learning and intelligent system courses? Well, our courses in this context put a strong emphasis on, first of all, statistics and applied mathematics, on machine learning algorithms and tools. So all the concepts that you need in order, and the main technologies that you need in order to build these intelligent systems, these applications. But at the same time, we have also an emphasis on cognitive sciences and the impact that these data-driven systems have in law and society. Who are the students? What's their background? We welcome students with a good background in computer science or engineering, computer engineering, and all the bachelors in ICT, such as telecommunication automation, as well as students coming from mathematics with a good background in mathematics, statistics, and physics. Our prospective students should have the willingness, first of all, to study both math and computer science, as well as apply this knowledge in a broad range of domains. So you should expect, this is a multidisciplinary program that will enable students to master, first of all, machine learning to develop intelligent systems, but also to be aware of the connection between these tools all those tools and cognitive sciences and their impact on law and society at large. Our students will have, should expect to see many course projects, and these will allow students to develop analytical and management skills. This is done through hands-on experiences. But at the end of the program, thanks to our partnerships with companies and research institutions, they will have also the opportunity to focus on exciting data science application and research. So in a nutshell, our graduates will develop a deep knowledge of machine learning and cognitive systems, the ability to deal with computational and learning challenges that are behind all data-driven systems. And this will lead us to have students that have an effective and attractive professional profile, and this usually gives the result of this is that they have an excellent placement in the job market. And this is because companies and research institutions dealing with big data, and this could be the case of companies working in ICT or transportation and logistics, finance, biology and healthcare, so almost any domain, are really looking to for people having these skills. So the opportunities are really countless. What's the curriculum structure? We have 4 main pillars. So your mandatory courses are clustered around these 4 pillars. So first of all, mathematics, where you have courses such as stochastic methods and optimization for data science. Then you have a strong foundation on statistics, in particular on statistical learning. And in this particular curriculum, as you can see in this slide, we have 3 mandatory courses in the core courses in the area of machine learning. Finally, we have 3 courses that are in the area of biology, economics, human and social sciences that are providing our students the opportunity to have a deep understanding of the connections between cognitive sciences and law with machine learning-based systems. Then students will have 2 optional courses, one to pick, one in the area of computer science and one in the area of biology, economics, and human and social sciences. And finally, 2 elective courses that can be selected from almost any domain. What's the structure of the program? Well, first of all, as I was saying at the very beginning, this program is specifically designed also to accommodate students from computer science and computer engineering. So for this reason, as you can see in this slide here, and this is the main peculiarity with respect to the other curriculum, you don't have at the first semester the course of fundamental information systems. And the reason why we haven't, you don't have it here is because this is usually something that has been already covered if you come from computer science or engineering. But actually, as you'll see later on, we can also, if you come from other area, you can also select this course as from your elective courses. So the structure in the first semester is based on, you have statistical learning and machine learning, then in the second semester, the second part, and then you have the fundamental courses in mathematics, such as stochastic methods and optimization for data science, and then you have, particularly in the second semester, all the other core courses in machine learning. Then, as you can see in the first semester of the second year, you can pick the electives and the optional courses, and finally, in the second semester, you can work on your thesis and on a full-time basis, and this can be based on your internship in a company or a research institution. The structure of the curriculum can be adapted to your background, and so in this case, as you can see here, if you don't have a strong background in computer science, you can postpone the courses in the cognitive computing and law and data to the second year, and you can focus at the very beginning on the foundation of information systems as well as it is done in the other curriculum. And so, as you can see here, cognition and computation, law and data, in this case, is postponed in the second year using some of the credits that are usually assigned to your elective. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, please ask at the end of this session after the presentation of all the other curricula.